Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video, we're answering another SSAT Math question. So let's begin. The question says, a cubic inch of metal weighs 1 pound. A cubic foot of the same metal weighs A, 8 pounds, B, 24 pounds, C, 96 pounds, D, 288 pounds, or E, 1,728 pounds. So we're told we have a little cube 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch, and it weighs 1 pound. But we're looking for a cube which has 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot. Now if you remember, a foot is made up of 12 inches. So we're looking for a 12 by 12 by 12 cube. Now once we work this out, this will tell us the number of little cubes the big cube is made up of. And if we remember, the little cube, it only weighs 1 pound. So we just times it by 1. So let's do this. 12 times 12 is 144. Times by 12, times by 1. We don't need the times by 1 anymore really, as it will just equal the same thing. So we're doing 144 times 12. Now, we don't have a calculator. We could work this out the long way, but there is a way to quickly work this out by looking at the answers and ruling out the ones which it can't be. Most of them are very small. The biggest one, 1,728, and the next biggest one is 288. 288 is the same as 144 times by 2, which is nowhere near going to be big enough. So the only possible option for it to be is 1,728. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.